So topic 3, why patent should be filed. So as we said, patent is giving us a very much of an exclusive and legal right, to get economic benefits out of it. Now, why we need to file a patent? So first thing is patent is never a automatic right. You have to go and claim it. And the rule is whoever goes first gets that right. So there is no concept like concurrent patent. You need to go and you need to claim that I am the first one who has got this new idea and hence I should get a patent. Second thing is patent is not a global right also. You have to go to your country where you want to apply. You can file a patent, you can get a patent. On strength of it, you can go and claim the patent rights in other countries, or you can make simultaneous applications as well. But main thing is you have to understand patent, you need to go first. You have to be first to get the patent. There is no idea of concurrent patent, there is no idea of global patent, but there is a global cooperation. So once you file a patent right in one country, you automatically get some benefits. What are these benefits? You can go to other country and you can use the same application and you can claim that my patent application has been filed in one country and I wish to give the same application here as well. So you get a benefit of that. Second is the all the countries have signed that irrespective of nationality of innovator, they will get same rights. So the other country cannot deny you opportunity to file a patent just because you don't belong to that country. So you get that benefit. And third thing is also called independence of patent. There is a strong possibility sometimes, and this happens rarely, but in two different countries, same patent ideas have been applied for. And they are independent of each other, then both can exist independently. Now, why patent should be filed? So as I said, the economic benefit is the most driving criteria. Second, companies see it as a very good long-term investment. The company will have more number of patents. Company is considered to be more valuable. And this is true especially for drug companies or for technology companies. So generally, pharma companies and technology companies, they try to file as many patents as they can because it increases their market valuation. What are the alternative if you don't want to file a patent? Yes, in that case, you can also go for the copyright, which is easier, and at that you can generally go for software, computer software. Generally, companies will go for copyright protection, or you can go for claiming a trade secret. So you can claim your innovation as a trade secret and you can try to protect it. So trade secret is a separate subject. It has its own advantages and disadvantages, but you can take a decision whether you want to file a patent or you want to protect your innovation under trade secret. And one more option is utility model, which is not available in all countries, but it is a watered down version of patent where you get a patent granted with lesser scrutiny and for specific areas. So let us look at what we learn. So we learn why we should file a patent. Patent rights are not assigned automatically on innovation. First person to register the innovation gets the patent. There is no concept like concurrent patents. Patent application has to be made in one country and same patent application can be submitted in other countries. Permission is required if not filing patent in the host country first. So if you are an Indian and if you are filing patent in any other country, you need to take permission from Government of India. And then international cooperation do exist for patents. Patent rights can be claimed in other countries and all countries have agreed to give same protection to innovators of other nationalities. Independence of patent, we talked about it, that same innovative ideas can exist independent of each other. And what are the alternatives? Copyright or trade secrets. These are some of the alternatives to filing a patent. So then we go to our next topic, which is who can file a patent. So stay tuned. We'll go for our topic number 4, which is who will